Hi YouTube, it's your boy Galwatch Trucker J. Got another video for you real quick. Today we're going to change the hood spring on this w900. I'll show you how it works. It's an easy job, but first I got to change the bolt because I split the bolt in half. No, I didn't split it. The spring split it in half, so I'm going to show you what the spring look like. Now this right here, TRP, run you about 30-40 bucks. Alright. If you get the KW brand, you're gonna spend about $100 some for it. But they got a part number right there, 2017SH. Make sure that's it. Alright, no, set it backwards. SH. Let's get that right for y'all. SH 7102 SH 7102. That's the right part number for this. We're gonna install this on the hood. I'm gonna show y'all real quick, then we'll get it together real quick. Alright, so if you can see right here, I'm gonna replace the bolt first because the bolt broke. That broke in half. Alright, so that's how she looked right there. That broke in half, causing the spring to hit the ground and fall. So what we gotta do is take that off, put a new one on there. I should have one in my book bag anyway. And now, so I'm show you what I just did. So let me close out on it. There you go. So this is what we're gonna try to do here. Now when I got squeezed through here, try to bring that line to come down here. I might have to bring it a little closer though. I gotta hook that to there. All right, so right here. So that hook, gotta stretch it. Gotta go in there without killing myself. So this is what we use. This is the setup. All right, so this is the setup here. Hopefully you can get it without killing myself. So that's the setup. I want y'all to see how sometimes when you by yourself, you gotta do some things on there. Sometimes when you by yourself, all you got is you. Okay, so I gotta try to. That's what I'm worried about. I want the hood. I'm gonna have to put the low bar on the back so she don't flame on me. Alright. Drop this hood on here. Alright, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the video. It's your boy DIY Trucker J. We got that done. So man, this how it happens. Sometimes you gotta do it by yourself. But we got it on. Catch y'all later. Hit the like button. Peace.